What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all probably like, all that in the field. Nah, man, we look where we at, y'all. We up here, Darlington, Dragway. Look at Big Mert, Big Mert. I told y'all we drive this car for real, 3 hour plus. But we up here at Darlington, Dragway at Donkmaster's event. It's what it looking like right now. We finna go to work. Get that footage. So I'm finna go ahead and see what's to it. Now, mind you, y'all, let me turn y'all back around. Mind you, y'all might see B-roll because y'all know it's music blasting everywhere. You wouldn't be able to hear me talk. It won't be a copy. It'll be a copyright. So just understand, it's gonna be B-roll in some places and stuff too. So it'll be some instrumentals going over. But just enjoy some of the footage, man. Y'all just kick back, get to enjoy some of everything, and y'all just stay locked in, and we're gonna keep it rolling. Let's catch the get it right. All right. Yeah. Man, they got you working today?
Man, listen, bro, what's up, baby? Yeah, they got me working, man. I'm just trying to do a little something, get out the way, you know.
I heard that, man.
Make some type of positivity. All that spinning we done on that last video, that shit over with, Jay.
What the plan today, Dad?
Whoop ass. Ain't nothing else to talk about.
They're the plan every time, man.
Which one of them, who come, I don't give no damn. Somebody ain't getting put.
Oh, y'all heard it. Y'all heard it, the purge.
You don't hit weekends when you stalling him.
I can't do nothing with her.
Hey, can't do nothing.
Yeah. Let's see, Joker, man, Stedman. Need some bad rides, y'all. Bad rides right here. Y'all see it, man. We got all three of them out here. Iron Man. Some bad rides, man. And I like they run together, man. It's a team, real team effort. Nasty. All right, BCG fam, we taking in. Put something in the stomach. She had to eat, y'all. She couldn't wait. She had to eat. She had to eat, y'all. She feel like she about to die.
And then I had to have some drinks.
Yeah, I got some lemonade myself, y'all. We gonna say that. But he got the Z06 out here today. It's been a long time since I filmed this joke right here. It's been a minute, y'all, since I filmed it. He got the Lexan in here and everything now. Big chunky tie back there. Stormtrooper out there. Giveaway car. Y'all saw that. We did a vlog with that. This is a grown man right here. This is an old grown man. Y'all look at it. Y'all look at that joker there. Got the twins on there. Z06. Let me get that thumbnail for y'all. Let me go to get that thumbnail for y'all. Y'all see the old Z06? Get that thumbnail for y'all. Yep. So, let me turn y'all around. I'm trying to record for y'all as much as I can while their music is at a decent level, I say, man, cause they had it blasting, y'all. You probably still picking it up. Like I said, gonna be a lot of B-roll. I'm trying to catch many cars as I can for y'all before we start filming. Cause when we start filming, y'all know how that goes. It's all good. So y'all stay locked in. We're gonna keep it rolling, and y'all just stay tuned. Y'all see it.
Yeah, he's down.
Bad unit right here.
Boy, he was Hollywood.
I see it.
Don't mess with him.
Last time Hollywood here, I'm just sitting right out here too. It's on Gito, they're going to Gito every check him out. Check him out.
SSD. It's a bad unit. Yeah, crop the truck up, man. First time seeing the truck.
Ain't never little shop truck. That's all.
That's all it is.
Look, I just take the trash out of this. That's all I just take the trash out.
It sounds good too, y'all. It sounds good. Yes sir, yes sir. Hey man, youngest doing it, man. Youngest doing it. Y'all see it, man. The boy Scott. Boy, Don't just gave me the briefing, man. 21 years old, man. One of the youngest in NASCAR.
Boy, you got LS motor here.
Oh, LS?
Look at that.
Oh boy, wait a minute.
You got LS motor here. Let me get that right quick and we do a little something. Huh? Yeah, LS motor there. He ain't playing. That's what's going on. We outside, y'all. Y'all see what's going on?
Y'all out here, y'all. Doing his thing. Doing his thing, y'all. They finna do the, finna crank the pit up. Wifey already out there. She wanna see y'all them drifting and all that, man. So she finna catch that footage. I'm trying to catch y'all with the vlog and stuff too before it just get too hectic in here. All of that. So y'all know when that track started, I ain't gonna be able to move. I'm gonna be on the track with the big camera then at that point. So y'all stay locked in. Boy, Big Boost finna come in here, and we're gonna see what happens. Cause I ain't filmed Luke Cage in a minute either, man. Y'all know I don't be popping out at the tracks like that no more. I usually send my camera guy, but I said I'm gonna come out today. Me and Wifey didn't have no obligation, so I said I'll come out today and we'll film and stuff, enjoy the day, come out support my boy and all that. But we gonna when Boost get in here, man, we're gonna holler at him and see what he got going on, man. So y'all stay locked in.
Let's do a free pick. I'm gonna knock the free pick off first, and then I'm gonna turn around and check. I run the red truck on just the charger. I run the red truck just on the charger. And if you drive twin, I'm gonna give you the back tire twin. All three of them off. And one sit. You should know I can tell y'all like I just started lying to you. Yeah, like I just started lying.
Racing ain't racing no more. Your word ain't nothing, man.
It ain't.
Tell you ain't gonna space your ass.
But hold on, now they bug you. I got to get there. I'm gonna get in a little bit. Don't. Well, I wish you would. Hey, listen.
You don't stand on your word, bro. You don't stand on your word.
Listen, I don't stand on words. I just talk. So you really thought you had so you thought you was gonna get it easy, huh?
How? That's not easy.
I'm finna work.
We just put that motor back in there.
I'm finna work it. You got 3 cars. Go for one of the other ones.
All the motors got in there.
I don't care nothing.
Took them out 2 days ago.
I'm gonna do it. You put
Just making that ass on the screen. There's a track car. There's a track car. There's a track car.
See it? See my fam. I already came out here. What up, fam? He out here. Big Luke. I like that rap, y'all. My first time seeing it in person. Fam, what's going on with you?
What's that? What's that?
I can't call it.
Boy, you done made me.
Yep. We out here. Yes, sir. Y'all gonna get to see this thing in action
Hopefully,
today.
man, we gonna do something today that ain't never been done before.
Oh, y'all heard it. There it is. Y'all know. Y'all know if he said that, he mean business. So,
It ain't good, you know it. It ain't good, you know it. Listen now, y'all watching J Malcolm right now. This is what we got going on. We got Lucky and Chain Gang Racing, Florida versus Georgia, $4,000 a side. I got the money right here. I had to lock in money for about a week or two. I'm boy about to get it on, $8,000, and I know there's a couple niggas over there about bet $5,000, another $7,000. So y'all watching J Malcolm right now. So just stay tuned. Y'all about to see something going on. It's for real. It ain't no play.
BCG fam, it's multiple days later from Donkmaster'S Spring Fest event. I must say we had a ball. We had a ball, man. So y'all got to see a grudge race on there. Shout out to my bro Josh, man. He took the L with the silver money color. Y'all, that's my boy Josh. He took the L on Protoid Nitro, but good race, man. And shout out to those guys, Chain Gang Racing. Kassan and all of them, man, them guys race. Those guys race, man. I gotta show them love, man. Much love to them, cause they really put in work. Like I said, they racing. They a racer, man. But other than that, shout out to Donkmaster as well, man. Great hospitality. We enjoyed the event, Spring Fest. It was a lit event, man. It just the spills. You had spills and stuff, man. They kind of prolonged things and all of that. But other than that, it was an amazing day. Like I said, shout out to my fam, Boost, Dr. Dez, the team, Carnage, all them guys. Much love to everybody I met, man. I met a ton of people out there. Ton of people. But got me ready. I'm ready to get meats back. I'm ready to get meats back, and I'm ready to get Dolo straightened out where I can start back taking it to the track, Kyle. I got to get a handle on this rear main seal leak, man. I got to. Then I can start back running the car. And I need to get a converter. I need to get a converter done, cause last time I took it, it blew straight through this. On the money if I turn it back down to how I used to run it, but the power it's making now, it blew straight through this, which is a sign it is making more power, for sure. So we gotta get that straightened out. Get this converter soon. Like I said, hope we get the converter soon. And, you know, get this thing back running. We still got to get this one over here, but I gotta wait the meats get done, man. So, Altran, I know y'all ready to see this. I'm ready to see this too and drive it. We waiting to get that done, man. It's a waiting game right now. I've been so busy between carburetors and then going to track, filming, like we go when we can, but we've been so busy between carburetors and podcast episodes, scheduling, knocking stuff out. It kind of crazy making time to come out here and even work on your own stuff, work on your cars and all of that. Like I got the T-top Regal stuff right there, man. I still ain't got a chance to throw it on. I gotta get the front end straightened out where we'll put the bumper fillers and everything and all that in. Gotta get the hardware, go by the stores, and I just ain't had time. I really ain't had time. So I want to do that. Then that car got to go to Lawless. So it's 3 cars that got to go to Lawless. We're 2 now. But you know, it is what it is, man. We'll get it done. So that's about all I got, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed the Spring X vlog, man. We got more on the way. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.